Space has always been the ultimate frontier. Vast, mysterious, and beautiful. But beneath that beauty lies something darker. Something deeply unsettling. Today we're diving into the most terrifying things we've ever discovered in space. These aren't science fiction stories, they're real. They exist right now, somewhere out there. In the cold, endless void. Let's start with something that feels straight out of a cosmic horror movie. The Boötes Void. Imagine a region of space so massive it could fit thousands of galaxies. Yet it's almost completely empty. This isn't just an empty patch of sky, it's a cosmic desert, a black ocean of nothingness stretching 330 million light-years across. Astronomers call it the Great Nothing. When it was first discovered in the 1980s, scientists couldn't believe it was real. How could there be a space so large? Without stars, without galaxies, without anything? Some astrophysicists have suggested it could be a clue about how the universe formed, while others, less conventional, wondered if something might have removed everything that was once there. Standing at the edge of the Boötes Void, if you could, you'd see almost nothing in every direction. Just blackness. That's not just lonely, and that's cosmic isolation at a scale we can't even comprehend. But if emptiness terrifies you, the next one might be worse. Black holes that devour entire galaxies. Most people think of black holes as massive cosmic vacuum cleaners, but some are beyond comprehension. The largest known black holes are called ultramassive black holes, and they can contain the mass of tens of billions of suns. One of them, called TON 618, is so big that if you replace the sun with it, its event horizon would stretch beyond the orbit of Pluto, nearly 200 billion kilometers wide. Think about that for a second. Something so dense that light itself can't escape it, quietly swallowing anything that drifts too close. And the scariest part? These monsters don't just sit still. They move. Slowly drifting through space, invisible until it's far too late. Some scientists believe there could even be rogue black holes wandering our galaxy, completely undetectable until they pass close enough to distort the stars around them. And that brings us to something even more chilling: dark energy. About 68% of the universe is made of this mysterious force, and we have no idea what it is. All we know is that it's pushing the universe apart, faster and faster. That means that distant galaxies are moving away from us so quickly that one day, their light will never reach Earth again. In the far future, if dark energy keeps accelerating expansion, everything outside our galaxy will fade into complete darkness. The universe will grow colder, emptier, and lonelier, forever. Scientists call it the heat death of the universe, a slow, inevitable erasure of everything that ever was. But dark energy isn't the only mystery that defies explanation. There's also the mysterious signal from deep space known as the WOW signal. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a powerful burst of radio energy from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. It lasted for just 72 seconds, and it was so strong that the astronomer who saw it circled it and wrote "Wow" next to it, hence the name. But here's the thing. Despite decades of searching, we've never detected it again. No natural source has ever explained it. No pulsar, no supernova, no planet. Was it an alien transmission? A cosmic coincidence? Or something we simply don't have the physics to understand yet? To this day, it remains one of the most haunting questions in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. What made the WOW signal? And why did it stop? Speaking of haunting, few things are as terrifying as neutron stars, the densest objects in the universe besides black holes. Imagine something with more mass than the sun, packed into a sphere only 20 kilometers wide. A single teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons. And then there are magnetars, a special kind of neutron star with magnetic fields 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's. If one were as close as the moon, it could erase every electronic device on our planet. Some scientists believe the flashes of high-energy radiation we call gamma-ray bursts might come from magnetar explosions. Bursts so powerful that if one happened too close to us, it could literally strip away our atmosphere. But space doesn't just threaten us from afar. some dangers might be lurking closer than we think. In 2019, astronomers found something bizarre in our own galaxy. A black hole just 1,000 light-years away, practically next door in cosmic terms. And since then, we've realized there could be hundreds of millions of hidden black holes quietly orbiting through the Milky Way, completely invisible unless they interact with nearby stars. And then there's one of the most disturbing cosmic discoveries of all: the cold spot in the cosmic microwave background. This is supposed to be the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, smooth and uniform across the sky. But one region is much colder and emptier than it should be. Some scientists think it's just a statistical anomaly. Others believe it could be something far stranger: the imprint of another universe brushing up against ours. If true, that means we might be living in a multiverse, one bubble among countless others, and one of them has already collided with ours. Finally, let's talk about something truly existential: the Great Filter. When we look into the night sky, we expect to see life everywhere. Billions of stars, billions of planets. Yet, silence. The Fermi paradox asks, where is everybody? The Great Filter theory suggests a horrifying answer. Maybe civilizations don't last. Maybe there's a point every intelligent species reaches. Nuclear war, AI collapse, climate catastrophe, cosmic disaster, and none make it past that threshold. Maybe we're just before that point, or maybe we already passed it. The truth is, space is not the peaceful, silent ocean we'd like to imagine. It's a graveyard of stars, a canvas of extinction, chaos, and mystery. Every new discovery reminds us just how fragile and temporary we are. Tiny sparks of awareness, staring into an infinite darkness that could erase us without even noticing. But maybe that's why space is so fascinating. Because even in the face of such terrifying vastness, we look anyway. We keep searching. And in that search, maybe, just maybe, we'll find not only the horrors of the cosmos, but something truly extraordinary.